right, this is the Unit 14 pre-test. Please make sure that on your paper you write Unit 14 pre-test with your name and then number 1 through 12. Since this is a video, you guys are more than welcome to stop it, pause it, rewind it as many times as you need so that you can get the answers correct as possible. All right, number 1, disappear. The snow will disappear when the sun comes out. Number 2, discount. Football jerseys will be sold at a discount after the season ends. Number 3, dissolve. Table salt is a soluble substance. It can dissolve in water. Number 4, distrust. People should distrust advertisements that make unreasonable claims. Number 5, reflect. Keeping a journal helps a person reflect on important life events. Number 6, refund. When the band canceled the tour, they had to refund ticket holders. Number 7, wait a minute. Number 7 is request. Mark made a request for extra time on his project, but it was not granted. Number 8, review. If you review before a test, you are likely to perform better. Number 9, unclear. Mia's unclear directions to the theater caused her friends to be late. Number 10, uncommon. Rain is uncommon in desert regions. They are among the driest on earth. Number 11, unknown. After years of expensive research, the cure for cancer is still unknown. Last one, number 12, untrue. A fictional story contains information or events that are untrue. All right, so make sure that you take a picture of your test and post it under Unit 14 pre-test.